Well, here we are, folks. We are just barreling our way through fall. I'm like, please slow down. We're losing leaves already. There's just a few yellow leaves left on the trees, and it's just going by too quickly. But fortunately, the weather has been amazing. I have to say this has been about the nicest fall in the last 5 years. It's been the mildest, it's been the sunniest. No forest fires to worry about, no snowstorms to worry about. We need to button up a few things around the homestead because the snow will be flying soon, I'm sure of it. One thing I have to do today is put the insulators on the beehives because the temperatures are going to be dropping this weekend. So let's take a walk over there. Well, I know folks have been wondering, did we get any honey this year? And there was honey production. We did have a great year for flowers, but I didn't harvest any honey this year because I still had plenty of honey left over from last year, and I just wanted to leave it for the bees. These are great little insulators, vinyl with some foam board in the middle, and does a great job for the winter time. All right, that job's done. So now let's go check up on Bryan. I know he's giving his truck a little TLC this weekend. He's worked so hard on the shed, now he's got a little spare time to do a little bit of an upgrade. So let's take a look and show you what he's changed on his car so far. Well, we're blessed with another beautiful fall day.
Awesome.
And a little bit of
it's the weekend.
Yeah, it's the weekend and it's not even raining or snowing. And we're blessed with a little bit of a reprieve from working on the shed since Bryan pretty much got that all buttoned up.
Yep, a few bunch items to work out, but
yeah,
we'll get that squared away.
So now Bryan's kind of working on a little
side project,
a little upgrade on his vehicle. He's given a little TLC to his truck, which has been a little bit beaten up over the last few years since he got it.
Yeah.
Do you guys remember that cracked windshield that he had?
Yeah.
You might have seen it in a couple of videos, but the whole thing, totally like a spider web.
Yeah, that was 6 months after I got the truck.
Yeah.
The window broke, big rock came. So I got that repaired, and then...
You might have seen some of those light bars and some of those fancy LED lights. Well,
we got a couple of those to put on.
Yeah. Yep, yeah. Thanks to Auxbeam, we're going to try it out. They sent us some lights for the tractor, and now some lights for the vehicle, and Bryan's going to get them mounted into his Toyota Tacoma, see how that's going to look.
Make it look more off-roady and redneck.
Yeah.
You know, I can't tell you how many times I'm almost hit animals on the way to work.
Yeah.
So moose and deer, and one deer, big giant buck sitting on the side, just standing there on the side of the road. I came around the corner, and as soon as I got next to him, he freaking ran right into me. And luckily, all that there was a big nose swoosh.
Well, and then the other night I was coming home and there was 2 bucks right at the end, at the corner of the driveway, and they were like deer caught in the headlights. They didn't move for quite a while, and then as I got closer, they sort of ran off. So you never know what you're going to see when you have good lighting. It's amazing to catch it.
It'll be helpful. So we got a couple Auxbeam.
Oh, the spotlights.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I bought some special brackets for them. So, but these are super good quality. I really like them on the tractor. It's all aluminum housing, super bright LEDs. 8 LEDs in there, should provide a lot of light, just like the tractor.
Yeah.
So, should be awesome. Comes with a wiring harness.
Oh, good.
So, that should be helpful. Now, I did buy separately. I bought a couple brackets. These were like $14, but these mount right to the bolts under the hood, where the hinge mount for the hood is. And so then when the hood opens, the lights actually move as well. So
cool.
They're not fixed to the body of the truck. So this should be pretty slick.
Cool.
And then the light just bolts to there. So 2 bolts there, bolt for the light, and then run the wiring harness. So
nice.
Should be simple.
There's also the other style of light is the light beam style. It's kind of cool.
Light bar.
Light bar.
Yeah, so this could maybe go up on a roll bar or maybe in the front grill.
Yeah.
there's a little slot here, and they make a mounting bracket that will, so the light mounts right behind that grill there.
Yeah.
So just need to figure it out. Might even be able to put it right in
behind
here.
It. That would be cool.
Yeah, yeah, that's where it goes. It goes behind.
Oh, okay. The mounting bracket was special for the Toyota Tacoma?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So.
It just blends right in there.
Yeah.
You separated the light from the bracket.
Right, you need to be able to put the bolt through.
Okay.
Like that. So.
Ah. Here you go. You're sitting on a pile of leaves. You know what you're doing? You're on a leaf pile. Okay, so. Oh, I see. So then that wire goes back down under the hood.
Right.
Okay. So now you've got the wiring harness.
Let's go somewhere down here.
So there's going to be a spot in your truck where it just plugs right in?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
There's this is the switch.
Okay.
So this will get fed into the cab. And then we just stick it to the dashboard.
Oh, okay.
But I would like to get a permanent switch, like a real switch. Feed it through, maybe through there.
So you think that bunch of wires is going through the...
It goes to the fuse box inside the...
Oh, okay.
Well, you can see where the wires go through, but it's so freaking tight, you can't put anything through it.
Oh. You have to make your own hole?
Yeah. And that's probably what people do.
Yeah.
I was trying to avoid. So I see the screwdriver. I'm just going to put it over the top of the screwdriver. I'm going to put a little slice.
Okay.
All right, push. Push harder. Hold it. Okay, good. Just leave it there.
Okay, pop through.
You can shove this through, tape this on, and then pull it through.
Okay. There it is.
Well, just had a baby.
Where does all that go?
I was thinking the same thing. Again, my only complaint is there's connectors here, but there's no connectors here.
Oh.
I mean, why put them on the wiring harness if you're not going to put them on the lights?
Yeah. Keeping it all organized with some zip ties, I see.
Yes. I don't like wires everywhere. Yeah. It's a big bundle of wire.
It is.
Don't breathe that in. Click, click, click.
All right, now we can
See if they work.
Oh, it's already... Oh, power's already on.
Yeah.
How about it? Pretty bright on a bright day. Yeah.
Right on. Real redneck.
Yeah, having spotlights in
No, I just need now. I need the big beam in there, and then I'm really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only concern is this is just plastic.
Oh.
I do have a metal rod that I could put under there. I like to have a nice broad piece of metal on the top, so there's more surface area contact with the plastic. That was super easy and super straight. You know, not like cutting with a hacksaw. It would have been like curvy.
Yeah. All right, so you got your aluminum plates there installed right on that little plastic shelf. So now, I'm gonna look at the brackets that it came with. So that's gonna give you, this metal bracket came with the light bar, and so
That's going to mount now directly to the center hole here.
yeah. So now you'll just run the electrical the same way that you did the other one.
Right. So, and then eventually we'll splice all the wires so we get rid of this mast.
Yeah.
We'll still have 2 switches probably, but should be good. So, take that apart. It goes in there. And we'll tape that on there like we did before. Oh, I guess I gotta connect it to power.
The last step. See it shine. So you can squeeze it on the same one.
Yep.
Come on. All right, so now, power button. Ooh. And that's the brightest time of the day, too.
Cool. Good night.
Yeah, that'll light some things up. The beam being in the middle, behind the grill, it's very,
You don't see it.
yeah,
So.
very covert there. Very discreet.
I can always point it. I can rotate it down a little bit more as well if I need to.
Yeah.
So right now, I see I've got a blank here.
Yeah.
I can buy a switch and stick it in there,
Oh, okay.
and then I could replace at least one of them. But
You got 2 spots.
and this is, I got to drill a hole for this one. Put one there.
Yeah. Cool.
Might end up just pull that blank out, and then tie them both into the same.
Yeah, have the double
Switch.
switch. Yeah. So you got options. I mean, it comes with everything you need to get it set up. For the
Right,
most
yeah,
part,
you got
but-
your switches and everything, so
Yeah.
if you're, putting on some other vehicle and you don't mind, you can just drill a hole, plug, and pop that one in there.
Yeah.
Right? That'd be nice looking switch. I mean, it's very flush, so if it was,
Yeah.
it's very minimal.
Yeah.
So,
Cool, dude. Upgrades all around. New windshield, new lights, new me. Right? New windshield, new lights. That was a fun project for the day.
Yep.
Now for the real work.
Yeah.
So Bryan has one more thing to finish on the roof, and that is putting in some foam on the edges of the roofing material there. And just like that, the roofing is done. Now it's time for a little bit of cleanup. done. Man, I missed the fun part. Now looks like we're into the cleanup phase.
Yes. Time to throw stuff away.
So this is the fun part. Oh, we're making the trailer.
Yes.
This is the demolition trailer. Take all our bad wood, make little walls out of it.
I know this one was bent. I had to step on it.
Oh.
Broke it. Yeah, I might keep a couple of these little pieces in case I ever need I still need to put new plywood on the shed over there.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe we should keep it then.
If there's really good ones, we'll keep them. But some of it's all crap.
Okay.
So all those can go on.
But definitely looks a lot cleaner when you pick up all the crap.
All the crap, yeah.
Oh my God. Did you see this?
What?
Window's broken.
That's awesome.
Did you see that? It's like,
Why is it blown out?
yeah. There's like a little piece in there sticking straight out into the screen. It's a long crack.
There's a big crack there. It's like they're the same shape.
So what the heck? That's not like something hit it.
I don't know.
You didn't hit it with a ladder.
No, I didn't. I would have
You would.
told you.
So.
And I wouldn't have hit it from the inside out.
Right.
The inside pane's not broken. It's only the
Right.
outside pane.
The outside pane is broken, but the screen is intact.
They're high altitude windows. I wonder if they're pressurized inside. So maybe we came up another 4,000 feet.
Uh-huh.
Maybe that pressure caused it to pop.
It's terrible.
That is terrible.
So it's broken right here. And right there.
I think Dave had some problems with a few of his windows.
Yeah, our
breaking.
neighbor.
The smaller ones broke, he said.
The smaller windows at our neighbor's house broke when after the installation. So.
You know, the smaller ones don't have as much flexibility. Mm-hmm. Maybe that's the issue.
Well, that's a bummer, dude.
Yeah, a bummer, dude.
I mean, how do you even replace that?
It'll come out.
Oh, we can just take out the whole pane. Leave the inner pane, just leave the outer pane out.
Yeah, it'll come out in the inside.
Okay. Brian's not concerned. We're cleaning up.
No.
We're cleaning up.
We're moving on to the next.
We're moving on to the next thing. I saved you a couple.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Phew.
There.
Oh. Okay. We're moving on. Okay. Moving the truck.
Moving the truck.
Okay.
Yeah, another load of junk.
Can you believe it? Filled this whole thing up. I didn't know we were going to do the cleanup today, but
Surprise.
Surprise bonus. So big load go to trash, cleaned up all around the shed, around the shipping container. So I'm tired.
Next weekend we can finish up the siding on the shed.
Yep, finish
metal.
up that and then start moving stuff out of this shipping container. We've been looking forward to that. If you want to check out the Auxbeam, we'll have links in the video description, including a coupon code, I hope. Yeah, we'll keep our eyes peeled for some more wildlife because they're all around right now.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Saw a fox right here in the driveway when I came outside.
What does the fox say? Guess we'll never know.
I don't know.
All right, guys, we'll see you next time.
All right, bye. Thanks for watching.
Hey, check it out at night. Light bar. Ooh, spotlights. Now that's bright. That is bright. Woo. Nice.